Good morning, students. Today we are starting the new course Machine Learning. To know the machine learning, first we have to know the words learning, intelligence, machine learning, artificial intelligence. First one is the learning. This is the known word only, and every day we are using this word in many times. But here we are not using that learning word in that concept in here. Here we are using learning meaning acquisition of knowledge or skills through study, experience are being taught. That means acquiring the knowledge or skills through the any type of medium. That meaning here we are using learning. Next one is the intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to learn and use the concepts to solve the problems. So, intelligence means ability to learn whatever we learn, that concepts we are using to solve the problems we can call as a intelligence. So, we know now learning and intelligence. Now we are going to new words machine learning, artificial intelligence. In that, first one is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines to do things that require intelligence if done by the human. That means it is one type of science which makes the machines to do the things by intelligence, that we can call as the artificial intelligence. Now our course subject machine learning. Machine learning is an area of artificial intelligence. It is concerned with the techniques which allow machines to do learn. Here, this subject is mainly concerned with the techniques of development which allow the machines to do learn, which allows the machines to learn. That is about the machine learning. So, in this subject, machine learning, we are going to know the detailed information of the machine learning. What are the learning techniques and how they are developing the techniques and how they are applying, how they are making the machines to do the things that we are going to learn through this course. Why machine learning? Why artificial intelligence? Why we are making the machines to learn and to the things. Why we are going to that one means recent many programs or many algorithms came into the industry, and as well as growing flood of online data, and machines have the more computational power than the human, and budding industry. So everything require to solve the problems within less time and with accuracy, with easy, with little effort. For that purpose, we are making machines to learn and machines to do the things. So that's why we are building the machines which exceed the intelligence behavior to help the humans, to study and entertain themselves, and solving the problems of reasoning, predicting and adapting that one. So this is about the why we are required the machine learning or artificial intelligence. So, the relevant disciplines which influence on machine learning is artificial intelligence, because machine learning is the area of artificial intelligence only. Within that, Bayesian methods, computational complexity theory, control theory, philosophy, psychology, neurobiology, these are all the relevant disciplinaries which influence on machine learning. That means which makes machines to do the things. These are the relevant disciplinaries. Next, we are going for the well posed learning problems. Well posed learning problems, name itself says well defined learning problems. To do the things by the machine, we have to make that machines to learn. To learn. To learn that one, we need to define the learning problem properly. That we are calling as a well posed learning problems. It is having the two types of definitions. First definition is the computer program is set to learn from experience E with respect to some class of tasks T and performance measure P if its performance at tasks T as measured by P improves with the experience. So here we are calling machine as a computer. To do the computer, some things we are giving the program. That computer program is set to learn. How it learns? From the experience. And how how this experience will come? If it does the some works, that works here we are calling as a T. Some tasks or works we are calling with the representing with the T, and experience representing with the E, and performance measure is representing with the P. Performance means here, if you are considering the task is a game, if it is winning, that we can call as a it is performing well. If it is identifying some animal or some image or some picture, if it is identifying properly just like the human, then we can call as it is performing very well. If it is identifying that images are winning the tasks, if within the maximum times, then we can call as it is giving the accurate performance, and that performance measure are representing with the P. So tasks are representing with the capital T, experience representing with the capital E, and performance measure representing with the capital P. How its performance improves? It is by experience. How it gets the experience? For doing the tasks in many times, some particular times, if it is performing or if it is doing many times, then it will get the experience. By that experience, it improves its performance. So, this is the first definition. A computer program is set to learn from experience E with respect to some class of tasks T and performance measure P. If its performance at tasks T is measured by P, improves by experience. This is the meaning of first definition. And second definition is easy, that is given by the Hartmut in 1902, that is 1900. Second year. A program or machine learning, a problem is well posed, means well defined, if a solution is exist, and if that solution is unique, and if that solution depends on the data or experience, but it is not sensitive to changes in the data or experience. So here how he is defining that well posed learning problem is well defined learning problem if there is any, if the problem is having the solution, and the solution must be the unique. Already you know the meaning of unique, that is the direct English meaning only. So if any problem having that solution and it is having the unique solution, that solution is depends upon the whatever the data given and whatever the experience, and also it is not depends upon the changes of the data or changes of the experience. That means, for example, till now only we said identifying the images or pictures. If you are taking as one example, if I gave the data to get the experience some type of cats, for example 10 types of cat pictures I gave to machine as a data to get the experience and to learn how to identify the cat. After that, if gave the 11th type of different type of picture, whatever before I didn't give that type of picture, if I am giving at that last to test that one, if it is not predicting, that means it is not well defined problem, it is not well defined learning problem. If it is identifying different type of cat picture 11th one correctly, that is means it is a well posed, well defined learning problem, and it is not sensitive to changes in data or experience. So that is the meaning of second definition. So what is the second definition? Once again, a machine learning or a problem is well posed if a solution is exist, and if that solution is unique, and if that solution depends upon the data experience, but it is not sensitive to changes and data experience. Here for these two definitions are for well posed learning problem. Here I am giving the one more example, that is a computer program that learns to play the checkers. Checkers is a one type of game which is just like the chess game. So computer program that learns to play the checkers might improve its performance as measured by the ability to win at the class of tasks involving the playing checkers game through experience obtained by playing games against itself. Here I am giving the example of checkers game. It gets the experience playing against itself. If it is winning more times means it is giving the more performance. That is the example of well posed learning problem. So till now today this is well posed learning problem. Next class we are continuing with the next type of well posed learning problems.